Hello friends, welcome to new video. In this we will talk about Elon Musk's new futuristic project, as Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has announced plans to build a new city in Texas called Starbase. The city would be located around the SpaceX South Texas launch site at Boca Chica and would house all those who work at the launch site, those who intend to fly on the rocket, and be a tourist destination for those wanting to witness the awesome power of a launch. Eventually, Musk hopes that it will be the point of departure for people traveling to Mars, with each mighty Starship vehicle capable of transporting around 100 people at a time to the Red Planet. As they prepare for their flight, they will require the kind of living space and infrastructure that only a town or city can provide. Hence, transforming the village of Boca Chica into the city of Starship, Texas, may be essential for Musk to realize his vision of space exploration. Musk began the process of establishing his city in late February/early March 2021 when he officially approached the Cameron County administration. Musk has also made no secret of his intention to found a settlement on Mars. His plan is to build a self-sustaining city on Mars that would be home to 1 million people and would transform humanity into a multi-planet species. This is perhaps Musk's most ambitious goal, one that could keep him occupied for the next 3 decades. Elon Musk has big plans for the future, both on Earth and on Mars. He envisions building new cities that will serve as hubs for space exploration and travel. These cities will not only provide the necessary infrastructure for space travel but also serve as inspiring destinations for those who dream of exploring the cosmos. Only time will tell if Musk's vision becomes a reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.